आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं चरक सूत्र स्थान के चैप्टर 17 के अंतः शिरस्यम अध्याय। इसमें हम हेड डिसीज और हार्ट डिसीज के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। व्हाट आर द कॉज फॉर द हेड एंड द हार्ट डिसीजेस, एंड we are also going to study about the madhumeha and prameha pidaka diseases in this chapter. पहले हम पढ़ेंगे शिरोरोग। शिरोरोग का डेफिनेशन। शिरोरोग का डेफिनेशन क्या है? प्राणभूतम यत्र आश्रिताः सर्व इंद्रियाणि च यदुत्तमांगाः अंगानां शिरस्ताभिधीयते। इसका मतलब है दी शिरा जो हमारा हेड है वो है सबस्ट्रेटम ऑफ द लाइफ, मतलब उसमें वो प्राण है और सर्व इंद्रिया का स्थान है और वो एक उत्तम अंग है हमारे बॉडी का, वो बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ आवर बॉडी है। नेक्स्ट, इट ऑक्युपाइज द प्राइम प्लेस अमंग द वाइटल ऑर्गन ऑफ द बॉडी। शिरो रोग निदान एंड संप्राप्ति। What are the causes for the shiro roga? That is vega sandharana, suppression of natural urges. Next comes the diva swapna, that is daytime sleeping. Next comes the ratri jagarana, that is night waking up in the night. And avashyaya, that is improper postures. Pragvata, that is exposure to wind. And atimaitana, that is excessive sexual activities and others. Next comes the pathogenesis. What is the pathogenesis of the shiroroga? That is nidana sevana. After consumption of nidana, that is ratri jagrana, diva swapna, vega sandharana, that leads to vatadi dosha prakopa. It increases the vata dosha in our body, and this causes the dushana, that is vitiation of the vata, and the vitiation of the tissues of our body, and causes the shirogata rogas. Next, we are going to study the Vivida Shirorogas, that is types of heart diseases. No, head diseases. What are the types of head diseases? That is Vataja, Pittaja, Kaphaja, Sannipataja, Krimija. These are 5 types of head diseases. And other types of head diseases are Artava Bedaka, Pratishaya, Mukharoga, Nasa Roga, Galagraha, Netra Roga, Karna Roga, Brahma, and Ardita, that is facial paralysis, Shiraha Kampaha, and others. Next is the we study about the heart disease, that is Rudroga, and its doshas combinations. They are 5 types. These are also 5 types, that is Vataja, Pittaja, Kaphaja, Sannipataja, and Krimija. And there are doshas combinations. Doshamana Vikalpaha, that is Vruddhi combination are of 20 types, Kshina combination are of 20 types, Vruddhi, Kshina, and Sama combinations are of 12 types. Total preparation and combinations of doshas are of 62 types. Next comes the when doshaha pravuddaha swam lingam darshayanti yatabalam, Kshinaha jahati lingam swam, Samaha swam karmaha kurvanti. When doshas pravudha, that is aggravated, they manifest their signs and symptoms. When doshas are aggravated, that is when vata pitta kapha doshas increase, they manifest their signs and symptoms. And those in the state of kshina doshas, when they are in their kshina, that is which becomes less, give up their normal linga, that is signs and symptoms. They shows their normal signs and symptoms. When they are in sama, that is equilibrium, maintain their swakarma, that is normal functions in accordance with degree. The combination of this only vruddhi kshina, these doshas causes the vruddhi kshina and sama. 18 types of kshayas are there, and oja kshaya, oja characteristic. There are 18 types of kshayas, that is vatadi dosha kshaya, rasadi dhatu kshaya, dhatu mala kshaya, Ojakshaya. These are the 18 types of kshayas. That is Vatadi doshas means Vata Pitta Kapha dosha Kshaya, and Rasadi Dhatu means Rasa Rakta Mamsa Meda, this Kshayas, and Ojakshayas. Dhatu Mala means Dhatu, that is Mala Mutra Kshayas. These are of totally 18 types. Next is the Oja. We study about the Oja, that is Oja characteristics. Hmm. Ruddhi tishtati yaduchaha khatamish sap कथमिष्टपीतकम् ओजाः शरीरे सङ्ख्यातः तन्न सन्ना विनश्यन्ति. That is ojasa acquires its seat in heart. It acquires its seat in the heart and it is shuddha, that is clear. Kathamishataha, that is slightly reddish in color, and sap sapitakam, that is slightly yellowish in color. Sapitakam, and predominantly white color. Destruction of ojas leads to destruction of the body. Next comes the ojas utpatti types and depletion causes. Origin of ojas: pratamam jayate ojaः sharirasmin शरीराणां सर्पिवर्ण madurarasa lajagadi prajayate. That is, next comes the ojas is produced first in the body which has sarpavarna, that is it is as the color of ghee, and mother rasa, it is like a honey, and lajagadi, that is smell of parched rice. Simple explaining: oja utpatti भ्रमरैः फलपुष्पेभ्यो यथा सम्मिर्यते मधुः तदोजः स्वकर्मभ्यो गुणैः सम्भ्रियते दृढाम्. That is, as per, it is like bee and collects the madhu from the honey. Madhu, that is honey from the phalas, as bees collects the honeys from the phalas and the pushpas. Similarly, the oja is essence of the body, but its inherent action and guna. But its inherent action and gunas are like oja types and measures. Two types: paraoja, aparaoja, and location: paraoja is in hridaya and aparaoja sarva sharira, that is entire body. Next measures: ashtabindu, it is of 8 drops, and ardhanjali, that is handful. Next is depletion of it causes the mrityu. Cause of ojakshaya: vyayam, that is anashana, that is fasting; chinta, worries; ruksha alpa pramita ashana, intake of dry food in small quantity or habitual intake of food having one taste only; vata atapa, that is exposure to wind and sun; bhaya, fear; shoka, that is grief; ruksha pana, intake of dry drinks; prajagara, night wheeling. These are the cause for oja depletion. Next is ativartana, that is excessive elimination of kapha, shonita, and saman and other mala causes the ojakshaya. Next comes the madhumeha, nidana, and samprapti, and prameha pidaka. What are its etiological factors? That is nidana. Atimatra sevana, that is excessive consumption of guru and snigdha aharas and amla lavana aharas causes the madhumeha. That is shamashana, overthinking; excessive nidra; no exercise, that is vyayama; sanshodhana, no sanshodhan, that is not doing purification of the body; and asya sukha, that is comfort, causes the madhumeha and prameha pidaka. Pathogenesis: ativruddhi, excessive increase of pitta, shleshma, kapha, and mamsa meda. These are the cause for the madhumeha. And avarna of vata marga, that is obstruction in the vata marga; and prakopita, aggravated vata carries ojas to basti, that is bladder. And 7 types of prameha pidakas are Sharavika, Malaji, Kachapika, Vinati, Jalini, Vidradi, and Sarshape. Prameha pidakas Sadhya Asadhyata. Based on the type of pidaka, Shashavika, Kachapika, Jalini with Atikafa and Medodushti are Kruchasadhya. These are all Kruchasadhya, difficult to treat. Sarshapi, Alaji, Vinata, Vidradi with Pitta Pradhana, Alpameda Vyakti are Sadhya, that is treatable. Here, Shashavika, Kachapika, Jalini, in which the kapha is Ati kapha and Medo Dushti is happened means it is Krucha Sadhya. If Sarshapi, Alaji, Vinanti, Vidradi with Pitta Pradhana and Alpameda Vekta means Sadhya. Based on sthana, that is location, Prameya Pidaka developing on Marma, Amsa, that is shoulders, Buddha anus, Pani hands, Sthana breast, and Sandhi joints and Pada are fatal, which causes the death. Next, Prameya Pidaka Upadrava complications. Trishna, that is excessive thirst, Marmas, Sanrodha, obstruction of vital points, Swasa, Mamsa Sankocha, muscle contraction, Moha, Hivaka, Hikka, Mada, that is intoxications, Jwara, fever, Sarpi, spreading infections. Next is Vidradi. Vidradi, in this we will study its Nirukti, classification and treatment. Nirukti, that is दुष्टरक्त अतिमात्रत्वात् सभै शीघ्रविदध्यते ततः शीघ्रविदाहित्वे विदाहित्वो द्विद्रादित्याभिधीयते. Due to excessive visation of rakta, it undergoes quick suppression, hence it is called as vidradi, that is abscess. Vidradi bheda classification based on sthana, that is Bhaya and Abhyantara. It is of two types, Bhaya and Abhyantara. External, internal. External are of three types, internal are of nine types. External, that is Tvaka, Mamsa, Snayu. Abhyantara, that is 9, Hridaya, Nabi, Yakrut, Pleha, Kloma, Kukshi, Vakshana, Basti, Vruka. These are of the 9 types. Next comes the classification based on dosha and shrava. Vataja, Pittaja, Shleshmaja, Sannipataja. These are the classification based on dosha and shrava discharge. Here this completes the 17th chapter of Charaka. In this we have completed the diseases related to head. It is of 5 types, and diseases related to hearts, the cause for the diseases of hearts and cause for the diseases of head, and we have learned the kshayas of Saptadhatu, Trimala, and Ojakshayas. We have briefly discussed about the Ojas, its characteristic features, Kshaya, and its types, and we have also discussed about the Madhumeha, Prameya Pidaka, and Vidradi. Thank you.